Welcome friends again into the genuine practical homeopathy. So I always say you want to become a successful, confident in your practice, you need to understand, you need to follow the original genuine teachings of Master Hahnemann. So to know how to practice scientifically on the teachings of Master Hahnemann, please watch this video till the end. In today's video, I'm going to discuss you the next part of health and disease. It is mostly related to the materia medica section. So what are the morbid state that considered by Master Hahnemann? So to know about a genuine practical homeopathy, please go through our website, our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, our Facebook groups too. So friends, I am genuine practical homeopath and promoting the scientific, genuine, practical teachings of Master Hahnemann, how to practice homeopathy. So friends, when you practice homeopathy, so most of the time, most of the homeopaths are confused about their right selection of remedy. They are always in dilemma or they are always in doubt. Sometimes they don't know how their remedy works. All these things happening with all of the homeopaths only because of due to we are not following Master's teachings. So in this regard, I already discussed in last video about health and disease. So health is a normal, harmonious state of body, that is spiritually, mentally and physically. But in disease, all the functions and sensations are get altered or they are not in harmonious conditions. To know how to treat that morbid state, the change altered state of the patient, for this you need to be aware about a pure effects of drugs that homeopathy based on. In the history of medical science, not only in the homeopathy, the Master Hahnemann is the only one person who discovered or who collected a lakhs of symptoms of subjective type, which is totally based on the pathological affinity of tissues and therapeutic effects of drugs on the basis of law of similia. But unfortunately, homeopaths are just focusing onto the normal constitutions, normal behavioral patterns or some metaphorical meanings in the form of rubrics. To become a successful homeopath, we need to understand the original teachings of Master Hahnemann related to the cure. In the aphorism number 3, Master said, you need to focus on to the morbid state. Even though while in selecting the remedy, Master advised us, it is an uncommon peculiar characteristic symptoms. What symptom means? Symptom means not a keynote. Symptom means not any physical nature. Symptom means not any character. It is a abnormal sensation that is going to happen with the patient, and patient is come towards you for the treatment of this kind of his morbid state. You don't need to go deep in the various behavioral, various stories, various picture type materia medica. It creates a chaos in mind, confusion in mind, and most of the new budding homeopath feels lack of confidence to handle the situations, very simple conditions in the acute diseases, into the chronic diseases too. To become a successful homeopath, to know actual homeopathy, you need to understand the morbid state of the persons, but in subjective manner and also along with the objective science. Subjective means Master focused onto the altered sensations and functions. For example, someone is suffering from pain in abdomen or stomach ache. So someone feels better by vomiting, someone is feeling better by pressure, someone is feeling better by drinking of cold water, someone is feeling worse by cold water. So these are the subjectiveness of symptoms in the disease or altered state of condition of the patients. To better understand a homeopathy, you should become a master of pathological effects of drugs, pathological effects of remedies, and also vice versa, the therapeutic effects of these drugs. Master said in his teachings, there are only two ways of treating the disease conditions. One is antipathic, or we can say that the allopathy, and another is the homeopathy. So allopathic mode is just a palliative, but homeopathic is a curative. There are only two ways to treat any kind of conditions. To better know the Hahnemanian teachings, you must read his original books of 6th edition, Materia Medica Pura, Theory of Chronic Disease, and lesser writings too. So friends, the Genuine Practical Homeopathy is a platform that is promoting a genuine teachings of Master Hahnemann, and our aim is to create a scientific minded practical homeopaths, that they are become confident in their practice and they are able to serve the community scientifically, practically, and authentically and genuinely. To promote these teachings, please do not forget to like, share, and comment this channel and our videos, and your feedbacks are very important for us to make a future videos. So thank you.